This is a black Duracraft fan from 1997. I got this yesterday from Goodwill. It's actually a pretty decent fan. I actually found Duracraft fans a bit interesting despite growing up with Lumiere. And I remember wanting one of these years ago when I was a kid. Around I think about 10 years ago, wanting one of these, but they didn't make this type of style anymore. And being that we lived in a smaller house, we just had no reason for another fan. So anyway, let's turn this on high. It's got your typical safety switch, 6 bits on the side. Being that it is a bit worn, it kind of makes some noise, but... And low. Yeah, and the base and the platform actually are separate parts, so it is a bit wobbly, but not horribly flimsy like today's crap. Yeah, I'm thinking about comparing this to the Holmes fan I have. Anyway, that's my video. See you next time.